Hello and welcome to another edition of the review shows. Today on the review shows we're going to be reviewing the Mo Health 3-in-1 multi egg cooker. It's a quick and easy electric egg cooker, can boil 7 eggs at a time, also poaches and makes omelettes with dishwasher safe parts. So we're going to open this up now and have a look what we got inside. A nice Mo Health seal on here. Okay, we have an instruction book and the egg cooker, and that is it. So we should put that there. Cute little thing. Take off this tie if I can. There we go. Okay, so not a bad little bit of lead. A dome. There's your slot for your 7 eggs, or up to 7 eggs. And in here we have a measuring cup and a bowl. So I shall read the instructions and get back to you. Okay, welcome back. We've read the instructions and we're now going to try and make some eggs, some steamed eggs. So place that in there. So we need some water, and what you have to do on this little cup, which also has the egg piercer at the bottom because you have to pierce the eggs, you have 3 different sets of numbers, and the numbers correspond to the number of eggs you put in here and how hard, soft or medium you want the eggs. So I'm going to try for a soft. I'm going to do 2 eggs. So first of all I need to pierce the bottoms at the large end using the sharp pin. So carefully, because I don't want these going all over me. Okay, so pierce it now, stick that one in the middle and pierce this one. Put that one there. I'll take that out first actually because I got to add the water. So I need to put in to the soft level, which is on the bottom, up to the 2 mark. So that is to there. A little bit high that maybe. Take that away. It's very hard to see these actually. Need a little bit more now. Okay, so we're up to the 2 mark there on the lowest setting. So we'll put that into our bowl or a tray. Put the eggs on. We'll keep the bowl to the side for now, and we'll switch the power on. I'll put the lid back on. The lid has a little hole in the top for steam to come out, and it says hot steam, so we'll have to be careful with that. So plug it in and away we go. Now that should turn itself off automatically, so we'll put that by there and we shall wait for that to start steaming. And it should take, according to the instructions, which I've got all wet, 7 to 8 minutes. And medium takes 8 to 10 minutes, and hard takes 12 minutes. So we'll give that a little bit, and then we'll come back to it. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, we come back halfway through, I think, and you can see that the hole now is really steaming. So it's quite hot, so that obviously needs to be careful of that. And you can see it's cooking in there quite nicely. So we'll just wait now for the light to click off. It should click off once all the water has evaporated. So we will wait for that to happen. Should take about 7 to 8 minutes, and then it should be lightly boiled. So we got our egg cups ready, we got some soldiers ready, and if this works out, we shall try and make an omelette in the bowl. And I think that's for the poached eggs as well. Now it looks like just to poach eggs, you put them in here and you use the medium 4-line egg line, and they should poach, so we may try that in a minute. But meanwhile we're waiting for this to still go off. It's clicking and bubbling, so it shouldn't be long now, hopefully. Oh, I think that was it, a click. We've just turned off. And it's steaming like mad. Now you have to wait 2 minutes for it to cool down. So we will give it 2 minutes and then I'll come back to you. See you in a minute. Okay, we're going to try it now. Still a bit steamy. And these should be hot, so be careful. Yep, they're hot. So we shall leave that. Oh, we had a bit of leakage from our egg. It's gone directly onto the plate and cooked. So one of these might be a bit hollow. So now let's try and see if this is a nice soft boiled egg. Okay, we'll take the top off. Now you see it's a bit firm, but it's a bit runny inside as well. So we should just be able to dip something in there. Maybe not. Tastes lovely anyway. Yes, it's a bit runny in the middle. Let's try this one. Because one of them leaked. I'm not sure which one. I think it was that one leaked because it wasn't full to the top. Very hot still. And this one is a little bit more runny. I'd say that is nearly perfect. Let's try the soldier in there. Delicious. Right, let's try an omelette. Get them out of the way. So for the omelette, we need to clean off this first, because we got cooked egg on here. This is obviously not non-stick. So I'm going to clean up all this and I'll come back to you. See you in a minute. Okay, welcome back. Right, we're going to try the omelette now. We've cleaned up. So for the omelette, we need to fill the measuring jug with cold water to the 4 medium line. So there's the low, medium. So fill it to the 4 egg medium line. A little bit more. Not the easiest to read these. So that is to the 4 egg medium line. Place that onto the heating tray. Then you need to mix the required amount of eggs into a bowl. So I'm going to make a 2 egg omelette. Messy that I am. So I need to mix that up. And you need to lightly butter your bowl, so we've done that. Butter or oil. And then put our eggs into there. Put that to one side. Now this doesn't go directly in there. You have to put this egg tray on there. Put the little steam pot away from us, because we don't want it to be burnt on that. And now we shall try this. So we'll press our button again. And I'll see you once that's clicked off. Okay, welcome back. The timer's just clicked off. We've waited 2 minutes, so we're gonna have a look at our omelette. And that looks actually quite nice. Hot, plenty of steam again. If you can see that. It does look like a nice, fluffy, well cooked omelette. So let's try a little bit. Very good. Steamed omelette. So one last thing to try, poached eggs. So we're going to clean this up again and I'll come back to you in a minute. Okay, welcome back. We've cleaned up and we've lightly coated the bowl in butter again. So what we've got to do to poach some eggs is fill to the medium 4 line again. We know where that is now. Place that cold water onto the tray. Put the egg onto the heating plate, put the egg tray back on. And break 2 eggs into the, so it's similar to an omelette, but you're just not mixing them. I think I got hard boiled eggs. So I'm going to try 2 eggs again. some shell, we don't want that. So we're going to place that onto there. And press our button, and it says, note the cooking time is approximately 10 minutes to poach 2 eggs. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes plus 2 minutes to cool down. So we're now going to see what our poached eggs look like. Steamy. I think they would look nice on toast. So we'll just cut that in half and see what it looks like inside. And I'm sure you'll agree that's a nice poached egg. Give it a bit of a taste test. So there we have it. So that's boiled eggs, an omelette and poached eggs from the Mo Health 3-in-1 multi-egg cooker. You can cook up to 7 eggs in there. We've just done 2 at a time. So I hope you've enjoyed this review show, and if you like it, you'll go out and buy this. And if you did like this review show, please subscribe and click the bell so you'll know of any other reviews coming up, and I'll see you on the next review show. So thank you very much, and see you. Goodbye.